I'm on my bike today, guys. Internet's packed up. I don't know when you'll get to see this. Hopefully by Friday. So I thought I'd go and do a snack van today. So I thought I'd take you on a bike ride. So let's go. Bacon, cheeseburger, that's what I had. With onions and brown and red sauce, and that's ketchup. Something nice and simple. Have a look. Oh, dairy mate. No, there's nowhere to sit. No benches. You probably can't see it. Have a crack. That's not bad at all. Per greasy spoon, that ain't bad at all. Patty's a bit thin because it's only a snack van in it, so it's got a nice taste with the patty outside. I don't know what the sounds are, because I've got my mic and everything, you're probably picking up the banging in the background and that. For the industrial estate, I suppose, but I quite like that, that's quite nice. That was absolutely delicious. I could eat that again. Really good, £4 that was. Absolutely, really nice. Sweetness of the onions as well, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, okay, there we go, that's that done. Back on my bike to lose what I've just put on. So that's it guys, I've been out about an hour on my bike. It was only a quick one. So see you later, bye bye.